Good morning, students. So today we'll start another topic, that is compare quantities. So how we can compare the quantities, the numbers. Okay, which number is the bigger one, which number is the smaller one. Okay, how will you know that? So for that there are some rules. Okay, so let me give you one example. Suppose 45 is there, right, and one more 45 is there. Okay, 245 is there. So if I ask you which 45 is the bigger one, can you tell me the bigger 45? No, because the value of these two 45 are same only. So for that reason we'll put equal sign. Okay, so in order to compare the quantities, different rules are there. Okay, so the first rule is what? Suppose two quantities are given. One quantity is 2-digit number and the another quantity is 1-digit number. So you just remember always that second digit, that means 2 digits number, is always greater than 1-digit number. That means as compared to the digits, we can also identify which number is the bigger one. Got it? For example, here 95 I have written, and here I gave 9. So here you can see 1 digit and here 2 digits. So if you see 2 digits as compared to 1 digit, then obviously the 2-digit number will be the greater one. And we'll put one sign, greater sign, okay, in between these two numbers. And always remember that whoever the number, the greater one, okay, will open its mouth towards it. Suppose this one is the mouth, this one is teeth. Okay, just like a crocodile. Okay, so crocodile will open its mouth towards the bigger number. Okay, so here 95 and here 9. Okay, second rule is what? Suppose 2 digits numbers are there. Both the quantities are of 2 digit. For example, 43 and 23. Okay, here you can see both are having 2 digits, 4 3 and here 2 3. Okay, so for that reason, how will you identify which number is the bigger one? You just see the number which is placed in the tens place value. This one is ones, this one is ones, this one is tens, right? Like that only here also it stands ones and here this one is tens. So you just see tens value, here it's having 2 and here it's having 4. Okay, so 4 is the bigger one, right, as compared to 2. So the bigger number will be what? 43 as compared to this one, 23. Okay, so the second rule is what? On the basis of the tens place, we can also compare the quantities. Okay. Okay, now the third rule. For example, 2 digits numbers are there, 46 and 42. So here you can see both are 2-digit number. So in second rule, I already told you that in 2-digit number we'll see only the tens place. Okay, tens value place. But here though both are having same value, 4 4, right? So for that reason, which place value will now compare? We'll compare the ones place value. So here you can see 2 is there and here you can see 6 is there. So as compared to 2 and 6, 6 is the bigger number, right? So we'll put this sign towards 46. So your 46 is bigger than 42 as compared to the ones place value. Okay, so 3 rules are there, and on the basis of these 3 rules we can compare any number. Okay, so let me revise you once more. First rule is what? If suppose one 2-digit number is there and 1-digit number is there, always remember 2-digit number will be always greater than 1-digit number. Okay. Now the second rule, if suppose 2 digits numbers are there, so we'll see the tens place. So whoever the number which is greater in tens place, that whole number will be the greater one. Now see the third one, suppose 2 numbers are there, 46 and 42. So here tens place having same number, so for that reason we'll consider the ones place value. So 6 is greater than 2, so our bigger number will be what? 46. Okay, now see 45 and 59 is there. Now by using these rules, okay, can you tell me which number is the bigger one? Yeah, correct. So the bigger number will be what? 59. And remember, crocodile always open its mouth towards the bigger number. Okay. Okay students, now we'll do our exercise. Second exercise, page 141. Okay, so the first question, it is given here that compare the numbers, put the symbols equal to, greater than or smaller than in the blanks. Okay, so you have to see the question, you have to find out which number is the greater one, which one is the smaller one, right? And which two numbers are equal. Okay, so first of all, the first one, 79 and 42 are there. Okay, so by applying the rules that we already discussed, both are 2-digit number, right? But we'll see the tens place. So in the tens place, here 4 stands in the tens place, and here 7, right? So we know that 7 is greater number, right, as compared to 4. So we'll give greater symbol towards 79. Okay, now see the B part, 36 and 43. Again here just see the tens value place. Okay, tens place, 36 and 43. So this one is the tens place, so here 4 is the greater one, so we'll put greater sign like this. Okay, remember we have to give the greater sign symbol towards the greater number. Okay. Okay, now move to C part. So in C part, 43 and 9 are given, right? But 9 is what? The single digit, and 45, okay, not 43, 45 is what? 2-digit number. One is 45 and one is 9. So in rule 1 we have discussed that if one is single digit and one number is having 2 digit, then 2-digit number will be the greater one. So we'll put greater sign here. Okay. Now let's move to D part. So 63 and 62. So we'll see which number stands in tens place. So here both are 6, right? Okay, this one is 2. So both are 6 in tens place. Now we'll consider the number that stands in ones place. So you can see here 2 is there and here 3 is there. So we know that 3 is greater than 2. So our greater number will be what? 63. And the smaller number will be what? 62. So we'll put greater sign like this. Okay. Now the rest of it, E, F and G, H is your homework. You have to apply the rules. Okay. And by applying the rules, you have to find out the answer. Okay. Okay. Now next move to second number question. Take the greatest number and cross out the smallest number. 1 is done for you. So you have to see the question, okay, and you have to take the greatest number, and you have to give cross on the smallest number. Okay, so 1, it is already done. A part is done. So we'll now see B part. So 37, 89, 70, 82, 26. Okay. So out of these all number, which number is the greater number or the greatest number? It is what? 89. Okay. You just see the tens value place. Okay. Now which is the smallest number? So smallest number will be what? 26. So we'll put cross. Okay. Like that only. C. 44, 58, 95, 86 and 18 are given. So which will be the greater number? 95. Okay, correct sign. And which will be the smallest number? So the smallest number here, it is what? 18. So we'll put cross. Okay. Now D part. 34, 93, 83, 40, 50 are given. So which will be the greatest number? 93. And which will be the smallest number? So out of these all number, 34 is the smallest one. So we'll put cross. Now E part. 35, 53, 58, 59, 51. So which will be the greatest number? So see here all are having 5 in tens place. So we'll consider what? The value that is given in ones place. So in ones place 59. That means 9 is the greatest one. Right? So we'll put tick sign here. And we'll put cross on 35. Okay. I think you have understood about the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay. Now question number 3. Here it is given, write in the increasing order. That means you have to write the numbers from small to big. Increasing means you have to write first the smallest number, then you have to proceed to the biggest number. Okay, so 1 I will do. So here, which is the smallest number? So the smallest number will be what? 12. After 12, what is the smallest number? It will be 18. Right? After 18, what is the smallest number? It will be 51. After 51, $53. So just correct. I will correct one thing. I said that smallest number we will not proceed to the smallest number. We'll proceed to the biggest number. Okay. So first of all, 12 is there. Then the number which is bigger than 12, it is 18. And the number which is bigger than 18 is 51. And the number which is bigger than 51, it is 53. Like this only you have to write the number from small to big. This is the way to write the number in increasing order. Okay. So B part is your homework. You have to do this one. Okay. Now question number 4. Write in the decreasing order. You have to write the number in decreasing order. So decreasing order means what? You have to write first of all the biggest number and proceed to the smallest one. Okay. So biggest or bigger number you have to choose first, and then the smaller one you have to choose. So here numbers are given 78, 56, 64 and 8. So out of these 4 numbers, which number is the bigger one? So 78 is the bigger one. After 78, which is smaller than 78, slightly smaller I can say. So it will be what? 64. After that 56. And then at last it is 8. So as you can see, biggest number, we start from biggest and we end it at the smallest one. Okay, this is the way to write the number in decreasing order. Okay, so bigger number you have to write first, then you have to proceed to the smallest one. This one is your homework. Okay, let me check whether you have understood or not. Okay, so that's all for today. You have to do this exercise on your copy. Okay, and revise all of the things that we have discussed, right? Next, in the next class we will discuss about the place value, about abacus. Okay, till then learn all these things. Okay.